Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burgers with ground beef on the stove. First, choose 80/20 ground beef for the best flavor and juiciness. Divide the beef into equal portions, about 1/3 of a pound each. Gently form them into patties, about 1/2 inch thick and 4 inches wide. Make a small indentation in the center to prevent bulging. Season both sides generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Now let's get cooking. Place a cast iron skillet or heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, add a tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed. Carefully place your seasoned patties into the hot pan, ensuring they don't overcrowd. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side for a delicious medium doneness, adjusting for your preferred level. For that perfect cheeseburger, add a slice of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or American, during the last minute of cooking. Cover the pan briefly to help it melt beautifully. While the burgers rest for a couple of minutes, lightly toast your burger buns in the same pan or a toaster. This adds a nice texture and prevents them from getting soggy. Now for the best part, assembly. Place your juicy patty on the toasted bun, then pile on your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. Don't forget your preferred condiments, whether it's ketchup, mustard, or a special sauce. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, perfectly cooked burger. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.